Alright guys, so before starting the video, I want to let you guys know, make sure you hit that like button to let me know you guys enjoyed this video, share it to anybody, make sure you guys subscribe, have post notifications on, and also want to tell you guys, we was originally going to go to Lulu's car. Lulu ended up not dynoing because he ended up doing something different, so we'll be back on the dyno soon, probably 2 weeks or so. Just wanted to make this, you know, that way you guys don't get confused and all of that, because we were supposed to go for Lulu's car and we ended up dynoing with somebody else's car and vlogging somebody else's car. So I just wanted to let you guys know, so you guys are on track and know everything that's going on. What up guys, what's going on? Today's Friday, it's currently 7 o'clock right now, and I'm heading to meet up with my boy Lulu to go tune his K24 basically street race car, whatever you want to call it. It's just a fucking beast monster, whatever you want to call it. But we're heading to Long Island to Morris. We're gonna go tune with Morris. And yeah, it's about an hour drive. We're gonna meet up with Lulu, my boy Damon, that you guys seen before. He picked up the transmission for me, and we did the video on his hatch. So we're gonna meet up with him. Might be meeting up with my boy Andrew too, Asian Andrew. And yeah, so it should be a good night. I'm gonna vlog this and see where it goes, and head back home. So see you guys there. All the fast cars. Alright guys, so it's a bit of a change of plan. So the car, we're not gonna vlog that car, we're gonna vlog one of our boys, one of Lulu's boys or whatever. So we're gonna vlog his car, let you guys updated, keep you guys updated with the Lulu's car soon, and I'll let you know guys, what's going on with that one later on. Got the fan in here for the AC. No, yo, I'm about to buy that shit, put that shit in my. you imagine dropping this shit in the street? Sheesh. That shit don't play. Alright, we're gonna get a few more pools and gonna head home because it's already late. So check out this beast over here though. Alright guys, so I'm editing the video right now, so I just wanted to close out the video because I forgot to close out the video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was like a short one. Obviously we'll be back in the dyno like I told you guys with some good stuff. More content should be coming. I was supposed to paint the engine bay today, so don't be mad guys. I know I was supposed to paint the engine bay today, but it started raining in the morning, so I didn't want to risk it and start painting the engine bay and then, you know, it started raining or drizzling, or you know, a little bit of rain got on the engine bay and mess up the paint, clear coat, whatever. That's not what I wanted to do. So I ended up calling it off at like 9 in the morning, 9:30 in the morning, and then like at 10:30, it completely stopped raining, and the weather was beautiful, sunny and everything. Meanwhile, on the weather channel, well, on the weather app, on my phone, it said it was gonna be raining from like 10:30, and then it was gonna resume at like 1. So I didn't want to, you know, get like, I didn't want to risk it and it, like, you know, the paint getting messed up or whatever. So I apologize, I ended up messing that up. I did end up calling my painter back, but he already was not in the mood to paint and all that. So for sure next week I'm gonna definitely paint the engine bay. It kind of sent me back a little bit because I wanted to try to open up the transmission, my transmission that I got, make sure everything is good. Hopefully everything's good. I'm not trying to spend like $600-700 on some gears at all. So hopefully everything is good on that. And yeah, I gotta get some stuff powder coated. I gotta get my valve cover back from my welder. He's welding 2 bongs for me, so I gotta send the valve cover out, the engine mounts, well, engine, like the motor mount brackets, if you want. Yeah, motor mount brackets, intake manifold, the turbo manifold, because I'm gonna get that Cerakoted, the coats out of the turbo. So yeah, I gotta send them all of that, but I gotta get my valve cover back. So I gotta pick a day to meet up with my welder, but they're out in Yonkers. I'm in New York, I'm in Brooklyn, so it's a far drive. So I'm like gonna be back and forth, but I'm trying to get stuff done. But again, things are out of my hand. Motors in the process right now being built also a lot of like stuff going on in the background that a lot of people don't know. So it's like out of my hand. But once like the motor's built, engine bay is painted, and like the motor is in, everything else is gonna be quick. I am gonna tell my dude Jeff, I'm gonna pay him to do the relay. I need him to do a relay for my fuel pump so I could continuously get 14 volts. I'm not really gonna mess with that. I don't really like to mess with wiring like that. So he's gonna do that. I also need to get wires to do my relocation kit for my battery, because I'm putting my catch can there also. So it's a lot. But thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate if you guys will hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Build to enjoy. Peace out, guys. Stay tuned for content.